Gelecek şimdi göstereceğim.
Well done. And
perhaps to the what? Family değil. Family olsa burada ne olur? Şu olur. Familiar. Bak burada bak. Hadi beraber yapıyoruz. Beware of her dreadful word. Soracağım bunları. Sınavda size metin vereceğim. Bunu fonetik alfabeyle yazın. Veya fonetik alfabe yazılmış olanı latine çevirin. Okay. That yanlış okudunuz. Bird değil burası. Beer. Kuşlar gibi hemen düşmez. That değil. Uzatma yok. That set like that. Not be. Okay. Hadi God. Goodness. Call değil. Call derseniz o olur. A ile o arası yok. Call it. Dikkat edin. Bak burada and. Nerede and?
Ortadan.
And olsa British olur. And. British aksanlı yazarsanız bu şekilde yazmanız lazım. Ama Amerikan aksanı and. Hani ne? With sweet and straight and that. Okay. Well done. I take it you already know. Of thuf and bow and cuff and do. Bakın arkadaşlar. Şimdi GH and GH here, even if similar letters, but they are pronounced differently. Değil mi? Yani başta sanki burada kaf oldu ya, burası da daf olması gerekiyor. Değil. İşte bunu ayırt etmek için ne yapmamız lazım? Phonetic alphabet. Okay? Bakın burada da bow, kaf, do. Birisi ne oldu? Au, a, bakın, au, o, hepsinde farklı ses. Even if there is GF at the, even if these words 1, 2, 3, they end with GH, still they are pronounced differently. To differentiate between their pronunciation, we use phonetic alphabet. Alright? Okay? You can see it this on the first page of chapter 3. Open chapter 3. Did you see it?
Yes.
Chapter 3. But of course there is no phonetic transcription of that. I put the phonetic transcription. Alright. Are we done? Okay? That means first thing first, we need to learn phonetic alphabet. Of course. Now you know what phonetics is. Phonetics, phonology, and now we're going to talk about the types of phonetics. We have 3 types of phonetics. First one, articulatory phonetics. In Turkish we say söyleyiş, sesbilgisi. To articulate, to pronounce. Okay? It is the study of how speech sounds are made or articulated. Keywords. How do we articulate sounds? How do we make sounds? How do we produce sounds? How? Yani arkadaşlar biz bu sesleri nasıl çıkarıyoruz? Phonetics. Nasıl çıkarıyoruz dersek, okay, articulatory phonetics'i kullanmış oluruz. Articulatory phonetics'te bunu yapıyoruz. Biz sesleri nasıl çıkarıyoruz? Şimdi inceleyeceğiz. Okay? Now and then acoustic phonetics, acoustic guitar. You know, acoustic we're talking about now. İşitimsel sesbilgisi, acoustic, kulağımıza gelen. Deals with the physical properties of speech as waves in the air. Waves in the air. Now guys, I produce. How do I produce? Articulatory phonetics. How this sound goes to her ear? Waves, acoustic. And finally, you have in your book, right? And the other one, auditory or perceptual phonetics, duyumsal sesbilgisi. Duyumsal, how the other person, the listener, hears, perceives those waves. Deals with the perception by ear of speech sounds. So I produce. How I produce? Articulatory. How these waves goes? Acoustic. How the other person hears? Auditory. Yani aslında o phonetics'te ilk 4 madde söylemiştik ya. Speech organs. Produce, then waves go, and then you hear. Bu aşamaları, 3 tane aşamayı biz nasıl yapıyoruz? Aslında her aşama için farklı bir bilim var. Seslerin nasıl çıkarıldığı aşamasıyla ilgili articulatory. Bu sesler dalgalar şeklinde nasıl gider? Acoustic. Bu giden dalgaları karşı taraf nasıl algılar? Auditory. Auditory. O zaten hani auditory sesten geliyor ya. Bir de perceptual da deniyor lan. Perceptual, perceive, algılamaktan geliyor. Okay? But of course, in phonetics, or in Turkish, we have voiced and voiceless sounds. Okay, now we produce sounds. Now we're dealing how we produce sounds. Now, there are two main classification of sounds, voiced and voiceless. In Turkish we say sesli ve sessiz. Okay? Sesli. How do you differentiate between sesli and sessiz? Now, we do like this. Do it. Like that. Raise your finger and put it on your... Okay. Here, Adam said it. You see? Now we're going to produce some sounds. Okay, everybody? Okay. Do you feel vibration? No. Okay. Vibration?
Yes.
So if there's vibration, it is voiced. If there's no vibration, another technique. I want you to do it. Despacito, come on. Not too far. You see, you hear vibration? Voice and voice. Okay? So when you analyze the phonetic alphabets, and if you want to differentiate between voice and voices, you need to use these two techniques. So now we're going to talk about articulatory phonetics. How do we produce? Speech sounds are produced using the fairly complex and oral equipment. Complex, here it's complex, right? Oral equipment, mouth, lungs and everything. The air pushed out by the lungs up to the trachea. Trachea, windpipe. So, from lungs, pushed out through windpipe, trachea, to the larynx, trachea, larynx, and inside the larynx are your vocal